Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the trick to score high in Block Blast. So, you will learn how to achieve an impressive score in Block Blast. First, let's break down the scoring system. Understanding how points are assigned for various actions is essential to boosting your score. So, Block Blast rewards strategic planning over quick reaction. So, always think a few moves ahead, considering how each action affects your future opportunities for scoring. Another critical strategy is clearing multiple lines simultaneously. This not only increases your score but also open up space for future blocks, which is crucial as the game advances. Special blocks are game changers. Use them wisely to maximize their potential. These blocks can clear larger sections and trigger chain reactions, leading to significant point gains. Now, patience is vital in Block Blast. Don't rush your decisions. Take time to analyze the board and wait for the best moment to clear several lines or initiate a big combo. A common mistake is overcrowding the board too quickly. Always leave space to maneuver blocks and create chances for larger clears, enabling you to rack up those high scores in Block Blast. So by following these tricks, you'll be on your way to achieving those coveted high scores in Block Blast. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.